In today's video, we are going to show the proper mounting of the positioner kit ZZ0688, including an MVQ301, a solenoid control valve, and a throttle plate to a double-acting actuator. Before mounting the solenoid and the throttle plate, please verify that the throttle plate and solenoid are properly aligned with each other by having both labels in the same orientation. When mounting the solenoid to your actuator, please see the orientation for having the solenoid fail closed and fail open in case of a power failure. The throttle plate screws are closed out of the box from the factory, so no airflow will be allowed to exhaust. A best practice to get started is to verify that the throttle plate screw valves are fully closed by turning the slot head screw clockwise until it bottoms out. Once you have verified both throttle plate screws are closed, turn the screws 2.5 turns counterclockwise. This is a starting point for setting the speed of the actuator movement. If the travel speed is too slow or too fast, you can adjust the valves to fit your desired speed. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us, at ifm.com, or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.